Gotta be the one to put us on, cause I ain't waiting for nobody else to make it. Breaking through the game and I don't want the fame, but if the money comes up being famous, I'ma have to take it. Please don't tell me when you're in my face and I won't have complaints. I never been complacent when it's shit for grace and I don't do no third or fucking second places. Oh God! Tell me what's happening. You ain't liking the fact that I'm back again, and I godly as fuck, I should live in the Vatican. No one's a rapper is matching. There's a lot of talking, lot of checks from a lot of bonding, a lot of nexus in your conversation. While you bring my name up, there's a lot of flex, and I don't do no changing. I ain't never changed up. I'm the only one. Take you out with just a single shot. I guess that you could call that shit a hole in one. If you got the money, better show me some. You need my name up on a dotted line, and you don't know me, son. Don't ever hold me, son, cause I got shit to do. If you ain't talking business and this shit is through, I gotta go because I work a lot. Earn my spot to get a certain drop on how these rappers move. You never heard a lot of real rap. I felt like I should emerge to pop, but I ain't getting no buzz back. The fuck's that? 6 points for the bomb back. You want smoke, but you know that you don't want that. Don't give a single fuck about the way your gun class. I'm on go on roasting it 10 toes down. On flow selling them shows out. Get dough when the pen goes down. Bend those routes and extend those droughts. Set fire to the booth of something, cause the truth is nothing to the dudes who frontin'. Let's Star Wars to the toes who bust the Q. Russian news.
Máme neděli, přesně 14 dní do zápasu. A každá neděle, ta dnešní i ta příští, i ta minulá, se odehrává přesně v tom duchu, jakým se odehrává ten zápasový den. Takže po probuzení se takhle chce proběhnout, aby nastartoval to tělo, a večer těžký sparring, těžký boxerský trénink, přesně jako zápas.
Yeah, use your chest, I'm proving threats to sand. Lose your best, you choose to set it cans. Me or any views, I can't pretend that you will never ever wanna bend. Truth to me, cause I would wanna end. Any chance to get the upper hand. Run up on me now and never run again.
I ain't trying to put the fucking team on, but you know my whole intention.
Tak jdeme udělat dětem radost, nebo alespoň doufám, že jim uděláme radost. Jdeme tady na jedno plzeňský gymnázium. Mám se v rukavice lapy, kdyby si chtěli vyzkoušet trošku zaboxovat, a hlavně tady neseme nějaký vánoční dárky, tak doufám, že z toho budou mít radost. Tady ten týden je docela nabitý. O víkendu jsme byli na vánočním turnaji v zápase pro děti a v pondělí jsme byli v pražské Motole taky za dětma, takže jdeme na to. Já jsem Vašek, čau. Čau Milane. Čau Davide, Vašek. Čau, ahoj. Čau Mali. Čau, kluci. Zatočíš ty za ty ruce. Pěkně. To je ono. To je ono. Hezky.
Vy jste to vzali na výbornou.
Ahoj děcka. Tebe znám? Tátu znám. Já se vám omlouvám, že jdu pozdě, ale já jsem byl pozván tady vaším trenérem taky, abych sem přišel. Já se omlouvám, protože jsem měl dlouhý trénink, takže jsem přišel pozdě, no, takže já jsem vám přišel tady se ukázat. Nevím, co mě tady trenér říkal nebo tak. ale jsem nejlepší na světě, jo. Tady mám takovýhle pás, ale mám tady pro vás nějakou kartičku, kterou vám můžu podepsat. No a pak zase odejdu, protože já moc kecám, jo. Jo, říkáš, nevadí, ale hrozně rád vás vidím, já jsem Pepo.
Milan. David.
David, jako pojď. Alexi, tebe znám.
Monika.
Ahoj.
Boris.
Ahoj.
Adam.
Čau. No tak co uděláme, dáme si fotku spolu, na tady máte ode mě dárek. Tak. To si nechte, já už si to nezasloužím, přišel jsem pozdě, je to vaše. A Brian Greg je tady a Pepa Zajedník, nástav lidi. A Penca, no mám hrozně rád. Toho kluka mám rád, protože my spolu jako cvičíme, trénujeme a musím vám říct, že to je opravdu chlap.
Jo, máme stejný pás.
Ty pěkný jména, lepší pro Boris.
Tak, David má tady.
Adama nemám. Adama. Já jim řeknu jednou je 26, středa a oni se v tom patlají ještě půl hodiny, vole. Takže to je 25. Sejdu kouzlenického čísla Josefa Kundošlápka. Co vidíte teď? Velký, žlutý ocas. A teď znovu děláme malýho pitbulla.
Yeah, I just wanna be the greatest. Everybody knows my name, shit. I'ma have this whole fucking game list, spitting with insane wit, and I'm gonna be famous. Ain't nobody able to delay this. Coming up, I had a vision to make it. Never wanted to be nothing, always wanted to play shit. Sit in class, always wondering why I love this lame shit. How the hell am I different if we all know this?
about me, it's about me. Keep my head down, let my mouth speak. They surround me, they all about the clout. See where the crowd be. Every time I speak loudly, they more about me. Man, you know I got a bounty on these lousy ass haters that surround me. So they doubt me, they don't know nothing about me. So their mouths free, I'ma change that soon. Better watch out now, see?
I just wanna be the greatest. Yeah. And I just wanna be famous. Yeah. Yeah, I just wanna be the greatest. Yeah. Man, I just wanna be famous. Yeah.
And I'm not playing any more games. Either put me on the charts or I'll put you up in flames. Better recognize art, cause I don't forget names. Should've seen me from the start, coming at you like a train. Think I'm about to fall apart every single fucking day. Seeing all these damn stars with my well-deserved fame. And I spit these gold bars while they spitting out shit. Man, I give this shit hard, but it gives me back pain. I wanna be a spectacle, they skeptical. But man, I got that chemical, exceptional. I do it all intentional, professional. So I can make that decimal incredible. I'm not thinking, man, they're saying that I've gone insane. I'm not ever gonna make it cause the game has changed. I'm not good enough, man, no that's not okay. Tell me that shit again and I'll stop your brain.
I just wanna be the greatest. Yeah. And I just wanna be famous. Yeah. Yeah, I just wanna be the greatest. Yeah. Man, I just wanna be famous. Yeah.
Now wake up, you got some shit to do. It's 6 a.m, I don't care, you got some shit to prove. Cause right now, you ain't got nothing that big to lose. So get your ass to work and don't you dare hit snooze. Can't stop this, I'm obnoxious. And I'm honest and novice with promise. Made monstrous, I'm conscious, but I'm nauseous. Think I'm